The Department of Agriculture, or DA, admitted the price drop in rice is slow, but assured it will not increase. According to the agency's price monitoring, the prices per kilo of local and imported rice range between 46 pesos to 68 pesos. Meanwhile, unhusked grain costs 23 to 28 pesos per kilo of fresh and dry grain. The National Food Authority, or NFA, has over 41,000 metric tons in rice inventory.
Medyo nahihirapan pa rin kaming mamili. Ang track pa rin namin, ang monitoring namin, parang nasa 25 to 27 pa rin, no? So, ang buying price naman natin, pinakamataas, 23. So, yun yung difficulty natin. Although hindi natin nakukuha yung target natin, we don't see any problem naman na that will arise sa future. No? Meron na talagang stocks na nandyan. Dinadagdagan na lang natin ng mga nabibili natin ngayon. Sagana po ang ani, wala pong shortage.